Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So today we are going to learn about one different projects which is very good. So the project name is Cat and Rat Battle. Okay. So if you want latest update, please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want more videos, just whatever project you want in a comment box, just write down that project name and in the next video I will show you. Okay, so first thing, now I will run this project, I will show you. Okay, see, so here you need to just press your left arrow, right arrow and down arrow. So when cat will touch to the red, so what will happen, you will get one sound. Okay, so if you want to move your rat, you need to just press your up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Okay, so now let's see how we will create this project. So first thing, what we will do, we will take one new project. So instead of this pattern, if you want another sprite, even you can add that. Okay. So this is just up to you which sprite do you want. Okay. So now first I will take one new file. So this is very simple. You need to just click on file and new. So here we need to take one backdrop. First we will delete this cat. So which backdrop you want? So this is up to you. Just scroll down, you will get lots of backdrops. So whatever you want, you can just upload here, okay? Suppose I want the simple, fill that name, MIT, okay? After that, whatever sprite you want, you need to just click here on a choose a sprite. So in the animal, you will get all the animal sprite. Suppose if you want the same sprite, you can take this cat. Suppose I want the same. So I will take a cat. After that, you want one rat also. So in the animal, you will get that. So here is our mouse. See this. So now we have two sprite and we added the backdrop also. So this is our design part. So instead of this sprite, if you want to add other sprites also, you can add that. So this is very simple process. You need to just click on choose a sprite and whatever sprite you want, you can add from here. Okay. So now this is our one part, means how you will design any project. Okay, after that I will show you how you will add your coding part. It means how you will add a instruction. Okay, suppose for this cat, what instruction we want. Okay, like a cat can move. After that we want the sound also. This all are the instruction we have to give to our cat. Okay, so how we will do that. So always in our every video I told you, you need to first add your event. Okay, so you need to just click on this when flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, we want to update our score also. So score is our variable. It is just like your container. Means when cat will touch to the red, we want to increase our score. Okay, so how we will add the variable. In the variable section, we need to just click on make a variable. Write on your variable name score. Click on OK. So you will get a score variable. So initially we will set our score to 0. See, initially we have a score 0. Okay. After that, we want all the things continuously, right? So for that, we will take our forever. Forever means if you want anything continue again and again. So we need to take this forever. Okay. Now, for the cat, we want to take a turn, right? So where you will get your turn inside the motion, we can take this right turn or left turn. This is up to you. But where we want to take a turn, so we want one random value. Means not a fixed position, we want one random position. Okay. And where? So as you can see right now, what suppose I want the position, suppose little bit this. Okay. So what is this position in the x-axis? So I will take around -30. Okay, we did the coding here. So we have to do this here. Okay. See. So suppose I want here near about, see. So we can take it -30 because here we have a -28. So lump sum we can take -30. And for y position, what we want? Near about this. So this is also a 30. So we can make it 30. Okay, now see if I will run. See? Okay. And we don't want this code here. So we will remove this. Now, in the cat, so we have this random value. Suppose we want to move our cat also. So we can take this move. Instead of 10 step, if you want little bit less, you can make it 5 step. Okay. Now we will give some condition. Which condition? If it will touch to our mouse. Okay, means the cat will touch to the mouse. So what will happen? So where you will get that condition? Inside your control, you will get if. Okay. So if, where you will get your touch? Here. So instead of this mouse pointer, we will make it as mouse one. So if that will touch to your mouse one, so what will happen? Now we want to change our score by 1. Initially we have a score 0. Now we want to change this score by 1. So instead of my variable, take the score. So first time you will get 1, second time you will get 2, then 3. And what sound you want, you can add. So where you will get sound? Inside the sound block, you will get this start sound. Okay. After that, what will happen? If mouse will touch, if rat, if this cat will touch to your mouse, so we want move. But instead of 10, we want as like a -100. Why? Because we don't want to touch the mouse. If cat will touch to the mouse, we want the little bit distance between your cat and your mouse. Okay. Again, when flag is clicked, so this is our second instruction. So in the first instruction, what we did, we need to set a score. We have to take one random position. We want to move. Again, we given one condition. If mouse will, if this cat will touch to your mouse, we want to change the score. We want to set a sound and we want to move 100 step, but in the opposite direction. Again, this is our second instruction when flag is clicked. So again, we want this thing into forever. So we can take a forever. And now we will take our mouse pointer. Okay. So where you will get your mouse pointer, you will get here, point towards your mouse pointer. And again, if you want to move, you can move. Instead of 10, if you want to move only 5 step or 3 steps, so this is based on you. Now see, so as you can see, I'm not pressing any key. So this cat is following my mouse. Okay, suppose if I will take my mouse here, even you will get a sound also. See, so, but for this mouse, we didn't did anything here, right? So how you will create your mouse? How you will add the scripting part for your mouse? So this is our second task. Okay, how you will do that? So here we want only 4 arrows. If we will click on up arrow, so what will happen? If we will click on down arrow, so what will happen? Then left arrow, then right arrow. So how we will do that? Again, you just go to the event. We will take this 4 times. Because instead of space, we want up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. So here I will take up, down, then left, after that right. See, we have a 4 arrows here. Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. So how you will decide where you want to go once we will click on up arrow. So again in the motion, you will get your point in direction. But as you can see here 90, once you will click here, you will get a direction. But as you can see, this is your right direction. We want up direction here, so you need to just take it up. So for the down, again add the same thing, but instead of 90, now we will take a down direction. See, same for left arrow. Instead of mouse pointer, wait, we need to take this point in direction instead of 90 for left. So this is your left direction, okay? And now we have right direction. So already by default, this is in right direction, okay? And here we want to just move. So we will take move 10 steps, as you can see. See, now if I will run, you can move your mouse also. See, this cat is following my mouse, but as you can see, the mouse is following the up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. See, okay. So by using this method, you can create a battle about like a cat and mouse battle or cat and rat battle. Or if you want, you can add other sprites also, okay? And the next part, how you will rename this project. So you need to just remove untitled. You can write cat and rat battle. Okay. And how you will share your project, you need to just press the share button, copy that link, and paste this link, share this link, okay? So in this way, we can create our cat and rat battle, okay? So please like, share and subscribe our channel. Press your bell icon also if you want latest update. And in a comment box, whatever project you want, you just mention that. And in the next video, I will give you that project, okay? So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye. See you soon. Thank you so much.